Hi guys! Here's my another tutorial kung paano mag-withdraw sa ATM using your GCash Visa card. Kung gusto mong malaman, watch this step-by-step tutorial. Alright, so nandito ako ngayon sa RCBC Bank guys. Pwede naman sa ibang bank as long as meron kang makikita na Visa logo, gaya nito. Okay, so kung nakaharap ka na ngayon sa ATM machine, ayan, so hanapin mo ngayon ang card reader kasi doon mo ipapasok ang iyong GCash Visa card. And make sure na dapat nakaganito yung GCash card mo. Okay, so nasa unahan yung chip or ang wave logo. Ayan, so kapag naipasok mo na ang iyong GCash Visa card, so ngayon is i-enter mo naman ang iyong PIN number. Take note guys, hindi ito yung MPIN ng iyong GCash account, kundi ito talaga yung 6 numbers na PIN ng iyong GCash Visa card. Yun ang i-enter mo na PIN number dito. Ayan, so kung na-enter mo na ang iyong 6 numbers na PIN, you can withdraw cash directly or pwede kang mag-balance inquiry muna. Then, pindutin mo ang prepaid account or savings. Dito sa RCBC guys is merong charge na 1 peso for balance inquiry. To proceed, click yes. Do you want to print a receipt? Click no kasi magwi-withdraw naman tayo ngayon. Your transaction is being processed. So hintay-hintay lang guys. And then, so as you can see, ito yung balance ng aking GCash account. So, ang iwi-withdraw ko ngayon is 3,000 pesos. Para makaproceed na tayo, so click yes. As you can see guys, is i-re-enter ko na naman yung PIN ng aking GCash Visa card. Kasi may ibang bank talaga guys na kailangang i-re-enter mo ang iyong PIN. After ma-re-enter ang PIN, this time, pindutin na natin ang withdraw cash. Then click prepaid account or savings. As you can see, is meron siyang 18 pesos na charge every time mag-withdraw ka dito sa RCBC. Alright, so para makaproceed na tayo, so please confirm. Click yes. So, i-enter mo na ang desired amount na gusto mong i-withdraw. Alright, so after mo ma-enter is click OK. Your transaction is being processed. Ayan, so hintay-hintay lang guys. At ngayon is lalabas na ang iyong GCash Visa card. Ayan, so pwede mo nang kunin guys. At lalabas na rin sa cash dispenser ang iyong cash or money. Okay, count it and don't forget to get your receipt before you leave. So, ganun lang kadali guys ang pag-withdraw sa ATM gamit ang GCash Visa card. If you learned from this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe now. For more GCash tutorials, ay pwede mong i-click ang mga video na nasa screen. Alright, thanks for watching guys. God bless and enjoy life.